What is up, you guys? It's your boy Matthew and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. As you can see, I'm bald now. I shaved my head. It is what it is though. I actually kind of like the look, you know, the vibes. But anyways, today we're taking a look at a pair of sneakers / hiking shoes. This is the ROA Oblique sneaker. Reason I'm doing this is there aren't that many reviews of this item and I want to showcase it for you guys. But before we get into it, if you feel so inclined, follow me on all my social media. I will leave a card on screen. As a quick disclaimer, I already sold these, so I no longer have these in hand because they were a bit too small and I figured I can't really enjoy them because of how they fit, so I went ahead and sold them. Here is the ROA Oblique in the pink nylon colorway. As we get into the box, it's a brown cardboard box with a mountain print as well as the ROA branding in the bottom right corner. The front of the box is going to have some tags. The original retail price is £255, which is about 350 USD. This is a size 43 and it fits a bit small, and this is from Spring Summer 2019. The outsole is a white Vibram lug sole. It does very well on all types of surfaces and has great traction in my opinion. The midfoot shank is comprised of a black rubber. It provides rigidity, stability, and support, so if you actually wanted to hike with these, you definitely could. Moving on to the heel section, it features a rubberized heel cup to keep you locked into place. The medial side features an ROA logo as well, and the lateral side features the Vibram rubber logo, and you also have a pull tab to help put the shoe on as well. As we go to the toe box area, it features a black overlay for additional protection of your toes, and on the lateral side of both toes you do have the ROA logo once again. Again, the upper is a pink nylon in a ripstop style. As we get closer you can see the gridlock pattern, which is super cool and comfortable on feet. The closure features a brass or nickel eyelet with white rope laces. On the tongue there is a black leather loop to keep the laces in place. The tongue features another ROA logo. I love the logo, it looks super cool and it's very minimal and it doesn't stand out too much. The inside lining features white leather and white mesh behind the tongue. When you do tie the shoes though, the leather and nylon do kind of squeak when you tie it. The insole features a gray Alcantara type material or suede, with the heel having a debossed ROA logo in silver. On the bottom of the outsole, it features a Premiata branded logo. Premiata is another Italian-based footwear company, and they've done collaborations with ROA, or they produce in the same factory because they have similar styles as well. Now in terms of styling, I only have two documented outfits with these. The first outfit I wore in the 260 sample sale pickup video. I wore it with a gray Ovadia and Sons tee and some ALYX nylon pants. I don't really like that outfit, I just decided to put it on with that. It's okay, but the one outfit that I do really enjoy with it is one where I wore a Cav Empt hoodie and my All Saints Stove chinos. I think it looks super cool and my silhouette in that picture looks pretty awesome in my opinion. But ladies and gentlemen, that is literally the video. Short and sweet, just documenting a pair of cool shoes. If you guys liked it, go ahead and drop a like down below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on that bell notification icon so you know when I drop another video. Till the next time I see you guys face to face, it's been your boy Matthew. Take it easy, stay safe. Peace.